Rasta AB, one sec.
And the speed, allowing him to see the driver and react accordingly.
Okay, okay. Anybody in your rear view mirror? Turning left. Whoa! Mirror. Turning left. Whoa! So we talk about motorcycle riders doing that. Passing on the right or passing on the left. Right before a turn. So this is something that happened to us while we're riding. A car decided to do that. This is why you need to have 360 situational awareness. Exactly why you need to have it.
Him to see the driver and react accordingly.
So if you see the driver is in this lane and you see him in this mirror passing on the left, just go ahead and slow down and pretty much stop and let the person go around you and then move on with your day. This is why it's very important, and it's a scary thing. Got caught. Sometimes it happens.
Harley.
Woo! No buenos. Got a little poop on your pantalones on that one. Go ahead and pull over, check them. Just check them real quick. You never know. It could pop out. My dog does it sometimes. It's kind of weird. Just go ahead and check it. All right, here we go. Here we witness a driver who mistakes lane filtering as being cut up. Okay. Don't know what that means. So, cutting in line. Okay, so lane filtering is probably legal in this area. Lots of people get pissed though. So that's also a risk. You know, they shouldn't be mad at you because it's probably legal wherever you're at, not in the United States mostly. But it does piss off some people, and that is a risk you're gonna have to take if you want to get to the front of the line. Or you can just wait. So we're gonna continue going through here. We're doing normal driving, and then that driver is just an idiot. It was just being a jerk. Just being a jerk, showing you how big his car is compared to your bike. Or trying to show you something else. Now we're gonna have some words. How fast, you know, how cool is it that we were gonna race to this light?
You're right to soul. You're right on me.
Okay. Lane filtering can be dangerous. Just be careful. It's not just dangerous for motorcycling, it's dangerous for people. They're idiots. We're gonna have a path travel violation. Yep, there it is. There's gonna be the braking.
Hell, you wanker.
Yo, wanka. It says slow. We're supposed to go slow around there. All right. So it says slow for a reason. We need to be watching out for that. We can have a blind turn. We don't know what's around this corner. You got to be very careful. And there's that little turtle head poking out. You got to be watching out for that. Now, we have a decent total stopping distance if we're not speeding. But let's see what happens here, Tom. Who's Tom? We only applied the brakes. We're jostling around. We didn't apply it very well, but he was able to let go of the brakes and reapply. And he found the gap that was increasing. This gap right here is closing because they're traveling through it. This gap is increasing because they're traveling through it. So you don't want them to stop. You want them to continue. And then draw some more lines up on the screen. Look at all the stuff. Look at all the markers. So you want them to continue so you can find this escape path, which is what he does, because he definitely didn't stop in time.
Fucking hell, you wanker.
Mermax, Yamaha R1 encounters a terrible driver. Hey, that's everybody. Whoa, uncommon things, side of the vehicle. Uncommon.
Men lie, women lie.
That's not very nice.
Numbers don't.
That was a little sexist there, buddy. Okay. That's it. Okay, that was it. That was very interesting. So we're going to be riding at highway speeds on here. We're going about 70 miles per hour. Orange stage, prepped and ready for anything. We're concerned. We see a hazard. We have to do something. Either swerve or get ready to swerve or get ready for braking. But something is not right. And especially if you see the side of the vehicle on an interstate, we start to slow down. We have to find that escape path, right? And he found the escape path. He's going to go over here, and then he's going to go ahead and say some sexist things, okay? So, let's move on. Good job with finding the uncommon thing in a common situation and getting yourself out of danger. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment, so make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from REVZILLA using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets REVZILLA know that the DanDan crew is pretty badass, and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. All right, so ride for fun, all over the place, dude. Already, I can tell.
Straight for the bikers.
All over the place. Okay, I guess it's just everybody. Whoa, do you see the guy in the front? I know, I'm sorry, Ben. The other guy had an L plate, but look at the guy in front. So we're navigating this corner, and we can't keep a good line. After the corner, we kept turning instead of straightening up. We can't keep a good line. Now he's gonna slam the brakes on the line, and he lost traction for a split second. Come on, guys, stop speeding around the corner. That's why I was saying on this part right here. Watch this. I know he got an L plate. It's all good. Watch the cornering here. Can't keep a line.
The driver chooses
all over the place. Almost hits that guy.
Heading straight for.
We're just doing this for speed. The speedo's blurred out. Can't keep a line. Very inexperienced people going fast. Doesn't matter where you're at. United States, India, Thailand, Australia, Canada. I only know a few countries, guys. Just don't speed. There's other things you can do. Here we go. This music, I swear. All right, we're gonna have somebody come out in front of us trying to pass everybody. Oh, okay. We came upon an accident. Hey, we're gonna rescue somebody. We're gonna rescue another rider. All right, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Excuse me, this is my lane. Notice this more. Oh, it's more of a. Yep. People are gonna pass on the left and try to hit you. People are dumb. People are dumb. All right, Supermoto build on his scooter. Hey, you need a rock form. If you're gonna be playing with it like that, you need a rock form.
When riding on the other side of the road might have been his worst.
Hey, get off your phone, buddy.
Life.
Get off your phone. You already have. Is this Inception? He's got an action camera and he's filming on his phone. Can you guys see what's happening? Let's just look through here. Let's look at and see what happens in here. Just stare at this. Just stare at this. Don't worry about making and navigating a corner. Don't worry about navigating a corner. Keep looking. Keep looking. Just keep looking. No, stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Yeah, look at that. When you're not focused on what's important, shit like this happens. Put your phone away. All right. Here we are. Lane filtering. Oh, come on, man. Now imagine this person wants to hit us because of what that person did. Hey, I like this guy. I like this guy. He's basically saying the other guy was an idiot. Because he is. What happened, though? So we're just riding, right? We're just kind of riding. We have plenty of room, buddy. What are we doing? You just wanted to do that? Just wanted to do that. All right. You're like the kid that touches everything in a store, aren't you? Parents never made him buy anything he broke. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.